settle down. We all need a power ballad to bust out once in a while at the piano, and Someone Like You by Adele is the perfect choice. So one of the things I love about the song is it follows the standard 4-chord pop progression, and the pattern that you establish for the song melodically is something that you can carry through most of the song. And it doubles up as a wonderful way to practice chord inversions, build some strength, build some dexterity in the fingers, so you get a lot accomplished. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to play that pattern so that you can perform this piece and sing along, or play for somebody else who wants to sing along. We're going to include the lead sheet so you can download that and practice it on your own. You'll have the melody notated, so if you're not a singer, you can learn to play that instead. So let's just dive right in. So we're going to begin by playing an A major chord. So that's A, C sharp, and E. The next shape we'll need is a C sharp minor, which is G sharp, C sharp, and E. So this is a second inversion C sharp minor chord. And then we're gonna play F sharp minor, but we're actually gonna kind of edit it a little bit. We're gonna play F sharp, C sharp, F sharp. That's just because it works with the song pattern a little better. And then we're gonna play a second inversion D chord. And then we're gonna follow a pattern. So we're gonna go from the A, top, middle, it's not the top, bottom, middle, top, middle. And you're gonna repeat that 4 times per chord. I think that's 4. And then you switch to the next chord, which is C sharp minor, bottom, middle, top, middle, 4. And then there's our F sharp minor shape, 2, 3, 4. And our D shape, 2, 3, 4. And that's the whole song, essentially. There's a couple little changes, which I'll show you in a minute. But if you can do that, you can play it. Just follow the chord names to add in your left-hand chords. So you could play an octave. You could play fifths instead if you prefer, so like this. And then G. I forgot what I was doing for a second. And then you can just sing along and keep going like that. I heard that you're settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. And that is all the verses. You just carry that pattern on. It's super easy once you get the hang of it. Then we have this little pre-chorus, starts on measure 16, or the end of 16, 17, where we move into an E sus2. So you may be like, what's that? Well, here's an E major chord, E, G sharp, and B. Swap out that third tone for the second tone. And instead of doing that kind of broken triad pattern, you can just play solids like this. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited. So I just moved, followed my chart to F sharp minor. And then I'm going to go to D. I'm going to use this inversion, so first inversion next. But you could play root position if you wanted to. So, I hate to turn up out of a blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I had hoped you'd see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me. And then you just stay there. 1, 2, and you're into the chorus. Congratulations. Where, amazingly enough, we can just pick that pattern that we did at the beginning of the song back up. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Just repeats. And that's the chorus. So now you know the verse, you know the pre-chorus, you know the chorus. The only thing left is the little bridge in the middle toward the end of the song, and that's measure 56. There's a lot of measures in this song, it's really long. And it's very similar to the pre-chorus. So it starts on E. Nothing compares, no worries or cares, regrets and mistakes, the memories made. D. Who would have known how bittersweet this would taste? And there's some fun stuff in there. So E, F sharp minor, D, I'm just playing root positions, and then for the bittersweet part, we're going to go to B minor in root position. Then we're going to play A slash C sharp. So A in this hand, A, C sharp, E, and the C sharp in our left. And that gives it that, like, oh, we're climbing up, and then D, this is just a second inversion D chord, you can play it here too. And then E over D, so play an E over top of a D, and that's what brings us into our chorus. Now, you could go back to the pattern, or you could just, never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I beg, I'll remember you said sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. And then you could pick it up again and carry on through the chorus. You could do whatever you wanted to. There's some repeats, but probably cheap. Use this little pattern that we've learned and have fun, seriously. So comment below, let me know what you think.